Thinking about buying a rental property, but kind of worried you'll pick a bad one? Trust me, you are not alone. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly what makes a rental property a smart investment and what to avoid, so you can skip the expensive mistakes and start building real income the right way. Hey, I'm Sarah May. I'm a real estate investor here in Central Florida, and on this channel, I share real-world tips to help new investors like you feel way more confident about getting into real estate. All right, let's get into it. Here's what you really need to know to find a profitable rental property. Number 1, get clear on your goal. What do you actually want this property to do for you? Are you hoping for steady monthly cash flow, long-term appreciation, tax benefits, maybe a mix of all three? When you know your goal up front, it makes every decision after that so much easier. Number 2, pick the right market. Look, you can buy the perfect house, but if it's in a bad area, it's going to be a headache. You want to look for markets with growing population, good job opportunities, strong rental demand, and reasonable property prices. And don't feel stuck in your own city. Some of the best deals might be in another state entirely. Numbers over emotions, always. Number 3, run those numbers early. This is where a lot of new investors mess up. They fall in love with a property before checking if the math makes sense. Hop on Zillow or Redfin to check home prices. Then, check Rentometer or Craigslist to see what rents look like in that area. If the numbers don't work now, they probably won't magically work later. Number 4, stick to properties with broad appeal. When you're starting out, you want something super rentable, something the average person would want to live in. Think 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Built after 1980, newer homes usually mean fewer surprises. In a safe, middle-income neighborhood, and low maintenance, smaller yard, no pool, nothing too fancy. Number 5, watch for red flags. Sometimes a property seems like a steal, but there's a reason it's so cheap. Big things to watch out for: foundation or structural problems, no parking or weird shared driveways, high crime areas, and HOAs that hate landlords. Bottom line, if something feels off, trust that feeling and look deeper. At the end of the day, finding a great rental property isn't about luck. It's about having a plan. Know your goals, run the numbers, and look for properties that real people actually want to rent for years to come. And hey, if you're looking at a property right now and wondering if it's a good investment, drop the link or the details in the comments. I might even feature it in a future video. And if this was helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss episode 2, where I'm showing you exactly how to calculate the rent-to-price ratio like a pro. You do not want to miss it.